I found some entry-level, no experience needed work-from-home healthcare jobs. If you want to get your foot in the door in the healthcare field, these jobs are for you. And what I especially like about these positions, not only do they not require experience, they'll pay anywhere from $17 to right around $23 per hour. And you'll pick up valuable skills and experience that you can transfer to other jobs in your future, jobs that will pay even more. So let's go ahead and jump into them. The first one comes to us from Coro Health. They have an opening for a junior coordinator, denials management. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And as I scroll down here, I'm going to show you they are going to pay between $17 and $19 per hour. You'll be working Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. They'll provide you with all the equipment you need, and they'll also give you a pretty decent suite of benefits. So they tell us this job is an excellent way to start your career at a growing company in a fast-paced industry. You'll learn the ins and outs of healthcare revenue cycle services with a specialty in denials management. So on a regular basis, you'll scan, fax, and file highly confidential documents, download and print medical records. You'll also generate appeal letter templates, package certified mail, log events on accounts in the workflow system, and add notes to accounts in hospital patient accounting systems. So all you need is a high school diploma or equivalent, you have strong multitasking skills, and you must possess strong computer skills. You're proficient with Microsoft Office, and you have excellent oral and written communication skills. And they list a few preferences, and these are just preferred, they're not required. They prefer you have some college, they also prefer you have healthcare customer service experience, and they prefer you have payment posting or accounts receivable experience. And again, those three things are just preferred, they're not required. So if you like this $17 to $19 an hour job that provides equipment, you don't need any experience, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. Just look for job number 1. Ventura Health has an opening for an accounts receivable specialist. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And I'm going to scroll down to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it on this job lead, so I turn to their profile on Glassdoor. And it looks like Ventura Health has paid accounts receivable specialists anywhere from $20 to $26 per hour, with a median salary being $23 per hour. So in this role, you'll mainly be responsible for analyzing collections, resolving non-payables, and handling bill inquiries for more complex issues. You'll also be responsible for insurance payer follow-up, ensuring claims are paid according to client contracts. And you'll do all that while complying with all applicable laws regarding billing standards. So in other words, you'll follow up on claim resolution and denials to ensure appropriate reimbursement for clients, process assigned AR work lists provided by the manager in a timely manner, and write appeals using established guidelines to resolve claim denials with a goal of one contact resolution. You'll identify and resolve denied, non-paid, and/or non-adjudicated claims, recommend accounts to be written off, and report address and/or filing rule changes to the manager. You'll also check the system for missing payments, properly notate patient accounts, and review each piece of correspondence to determine specific problems. You'll research and review accounts and determine appropriate follow-up actions, process and follow up on appeals, and file appeals on claim denials. You may have to pick up the phone every once in a while to follow up on accounts and respond to insurance company claim inquiries, communicating with insurance companies about the status of outstanding claims. All you need is a high school diploma or a GED, and they prefer you have at least 1 year in data entry field and 1 year in medical billing and claims resolution, and that's just preferred, it's not required. They prefer you have AAHAM and/or HFMA certification, again just preferred, not required, and it's desired you have experience with offshore engagement and collaboration. And those three things are just preferred and desired, they're not required. They'd like you to have intermediate level knowledge of medical billing rules such as coordination of benefits, modifiers, Medicare and Medicaid, and understanding of explanation of benefits. And if you don't have that knowledge, don't worry too much about it. I'll put a link in the description area below this video where you can learn some of that knowledge. And you can also do a quick internet search and pick all that up. And within 4 weeks, you're able to become proficient in the use of the billing software they use. You're able to read, understand, and apply state and federal laws, regulations, and policies. And you're also able to communicate with diverse personalities in a tactful, mature, and professional manner. You're fine working in a fast-paced environment. You have basic computer, telephone, internet, copier, fax, and scanner skills. You also have basic touch 10 key skills, which is old school calculator. You have basic math skills, and you can understand and comply with company policies and procedures. You're a good communicator. You have great time management and organizational skills, as well as strong knowledge of Outlook, Word, Excel, and database software skills. So this job has the potential to pay about $23 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below, job number 2. Entry-level healthcare job number 3 is also with Ventra Health. This one is for a bank reconciliation escalation analyst. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and they are going to pay, I don't see it on this job lead, so I turn to their profile on Glassdoor. And they don't have a salary listed for this exact position, but they do have some similar roles. For example, a billing representative will make anywhere from $17 to $22 per hour. AR specialist refunds earn anywhere from $19 to $24 per hour. And post-billing activities can earn anywhere from $20 to $28 per hour. So I'm thinking in this job, you can earn anywhere from about $20 to maybe $23 per hour, but there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work that out with them. So going back to the job lead, you'll be responsible for the first steps in the billing process for the electronic or paper lock boxes. You'll sort lock boxes in daily mail from clients by date of service and log deposit amounts daily for each client's lockbox on a spreadsheet. And through the mail, you'll receive paper checks for the clients you're working on, and you'll prepare deposits for those checks. You'll also secure deposits and deliver to the courier on a daily basis, scan deposit images, and upload them to the appropriate folder. You'll review outstanding issues daily, create payment batches in the MedSuite system, and prepare and work correspondence daily per client specification. All you need is a high school diploma or a GED, and they prefer you have at least 1 year in a data entry field, and that's just preferred, that's not required. You need basic written and verbal communication skills, and you're able to make decisions in a timely fashion that are sound, accurate, and supported by the reasoning and inclusion of the appropriate people. You must be able to interact well, and you're able to prioritize and accomplish objectives in a timely fashion. You can read, understand, and apply state and federal laws, regulations, and policies, and you're also able to communicate with diverse personalities in a tactful, mature, and professional manner. You're flexible, you can work in a fast-paced environment, you're comfortable using a computer and other basic office equipment, you have basic math skills, and you can understand and comply with company policies and procedures. You're a good communicator, you have good time management and organizational skills, and you're comfortable using Outlook, Word, Excel, and database software. So if you like this job, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. Okay, there you go. We just went over 3 really easy, no experience needed, entry-level healthcare jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. But if you want to do something a little more administrative and document processing in nature, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.